Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nanda Hidayatullah and this is my research proposal presentation. My research title is Developing Pixton as Media Base in Teaching Writing Recon Text for 8th grade at SMPN 26 Surabaya. The first one is Introduction section. The language learning application is one of the technology application that will assist teachers and students to boost their enthusiasm for learning during the learning process. The fourth industrial revolution has given way to a new era with learning media application like Pixton proving to be extremely beneficial to students' education. My research question is how to develop Pixton as media base for teaching writing recount text at SMPN 26 Surabaya. And my research objective is develop Pixton as media base for teaching writing recount text at SMPN 26 Surabaya. There are three key terms used in this study, which is Pixton, writing, and recount text. For Pixton is that the software tool runs on all operating system and offers learners creativity when they design their own comic strips, according to Myers 2014. For the writing is a very complex language skill to study because it has many components that should be mastered by the student, according to Harris 1979. For the recount text is the text which tells about events happening in the past and also in a sequence of time, according to Anderson 1997, page 49. Now we move to section 2, literature review. There are 5 previous studies that I use for this research. Pengembangan komik berbasis Pixton pada keterampilan menceritakan kembali teks fantasi kelas 7 SMP Negeri 1 Kretek tahun ajaran 2021-2022. Developing English writing material in recount text for student of the 8th grade of SMP HKBP Sidoarame. Developing English writing material in the form of comic strip for grade 8 students. Using comic strips to improve the writing learning process of the 8th grade student of SMPN 2 Padangan, Bojonegoro in the academic year of 2014-2015. Improving student writing skill through comic strips in grade 8 of SMPN 1 Ngemplak. In summary, all of this research links to the one another by common topic, that is developing media. Other comparison between this research and the previous one are the fact that no one has looked at the developing Pixton as media base in teaching writing recount text. And we move to section 3, research method. This research uses a R&D method to find out the answer to the research question. The subject of this research is student from SMPN 26 Surabaya, grade 8 student. The researcher used a blend of different instruments to collect data, such as observation guide and questionnaire. To collect the related data, the researcher used 2 instruments. The instruments were interviews, transcript, and questionnaire. And also the data analysis technique. The data was split into 2 categories, which is qualitative data analysis and quantitative data analysis. Qualitative data from interview and quantitative data from questionnaire. There are 3 kinds of research stage. First, start of the research. In this area, the researcher spoke with teachers at SMPN 26 Surabaya and discovered that Pixton can be used as tool to teach English. Second is process of research. The researcher gathered the information required and analyzed it again to determine the data validity. The third is arranging the result of research. The configuration of the results of research consistent to the frame and the result of research. Thank you for watching my research proposal. My name is Nanda Hidayatullah, signing off. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace.